Are the damages different for those kind of like notices? So if I, obviously if it's constructive notice or actual notice, I'm assuming you would argue different damages.
The damages are actually the same, and that's one thing that I like about personal injury. For the most part, you can recover your medical bills or any other quantifiable economic losses that are called special damages, and then there's your general damages, which is like a, an abstract number used to compensate you for your pain and suffering. Um, and there's other kind of damages too, like your lost earnings, and then punitive damages, which is given in cases with intentional or highly reckless conduct. But usually the general and special damages are what you see in almost every personal injury case.
And then generally the pain and suffering, from what I understand, is like you show from the treatment, right? Because that's how you kind of say, well, it's because, look, I had to go to treatment for X amount of time and, I had pain for, how do you quantify pain, I guess? Is that how does it work?
You can't.
Right.
It's really, in the end, the number is up to a jury if the case doesn't settle, and then a jury just considers all the factors involved in the case, like the amount of medical bills, the treatment, the painfulness of the treatment, any future treatment, and things like that. There's one case I had where my client was a victim of an auto accident, and he had to miss his last year of playing football for his high school. And so I used that as general damages when I was negotiating with the adjuster. And then I was able to get a bigger settlement that way, because he felt like missing out on your senior year in the football team is like a big item of general damages.
Yeah, it's huge, man. I mean, that's like your last year. I totally hear what you're saying.